in general, I think you have to be very careful with metrics because they can be a double-edged sword, especially when you're talking to the people who are the subject of those metrics, like, i.e., if it's higher, it's better, and if it's lower, it's worse. It can be difficult to manage that conversation appropriately. That said, most of the changes that we've implemented as a result of looking at Uplevel over the years have all been in a positive direction, and also in line with, I think, what people as an IC or whatever, as somebody working on a team, experience negatively. So, for example, when it comes to, I fixed that bug and it's just sat, it's not in dev yet, I just can't get this out. This kind of thing kind of goes away because we fixed the problem of getting merge requests and changes from code into production faster, right? So that's a positive thing. Another area that we historically looked at across all of Avalara was just like the lack of deep work time, right? So that's why we have no meeting Fridays. What I was seeing, at least within my organization, is even that wasn't enough. So I extended that to be Thursdays and Fridays, so people have much more focus time and much less time in meetings. So presented in the right way, I think it means that, first of all, what I tend to do is I tend to look for problems in these metrics and not necessarily present those, design kind of solutions, and then try things out. And then when I see the metrics improving, then kind of like, I guess, advertise more widely how the team are doing well in being more effective in one way or another.